another episode of Taste Buds. In this episode, we're going to be reviewing a dessert made on Kentucky Kitchen's podcast. This is their Halloween edition, so we're going to be trying their Halloween Rice Krispies. So for our presentation part of the review, here's what it looks like in the pan, and then here's what it looks like once it is cut. It's really cute. It looks like a little candy corn. The Rice Krispies look really, really good, and the icing is not too runny, and I feel like it's the perfect consistency for Rice Krispie treats. So overall, I give the presentation a 5 out of 5 stars. For the smell section of the review, it doesn't have much of a smell, but it has like this really sweet smell. I think it's coming from the icing, but it smells really good, like something you really want to eat when you smell it. So I really like it, and I'd also give this a 5 out of 5 stars. Now it's time for the taste. These are really, really good. These are some of the best Rice Krispies treats I've ever had. They're not too hard, and the icing mixes really well with them. It's not too sweet, and it's not overpowering. Like, you can taste each. It's really evened out. So I'd give the taste a 5 out of 5. The texture of these is just really like crunchy. It's not really anything special. It doesn't bother me at all. I really like it. It's exactly what you would expect Rice Krispie treats to feel like. So I'd give it a 5 out of 5. I feel like everything's For the final review, everything else got a 5 out of 5, so obviously the overall review will be a 5 out of 5. This was a really, really good dessert, and even if it was just a snack, it would be really good. If you want to try to make this, I suggest you check out Kentucky Kitchen's podcast for their full recipe and a tutorial on how to make it. I'm a huge fan of these Rice Krispie treats, and they are super cute for any Halloween festivities you might have coming up, or even if you just want to surprise your family with a cute little Halloween treat. Join us next week with Hailey Lambert to hear the review on Kentucky Kitchen's banana pudding, or as we like to call it, nanner pudding. Thanks for watching. God, I hate